Another video here, and today we'll be playing some Minecraft, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a world, how to make a water elevator in a world. So we're just going to get it right now. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a water elevator in Minecraft. So like it automatically steams you up so that you can be there quicker, so it's not like it will not take a while. Okay. So guys, it's just generating right now. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to be doing some like videos like on Minecraft and how to, because yeah. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so this on Pocket Edition is how to build a Minecraft. How to build a water elevator in Minecraft. You can use any block. We just might use wood, so just oak planks. We'll just get some windows so we can show that we can show it. We need some soul sand for this. We need a door. And we need, obviously, because it's a water elevator, we need water. So a water bucket will do. So wood isn't the, like, I prefer quartz, but we're just doing wood for this one. So build it as high as you want, but I'm not going to do it that high because it's just going to be a quick video on how to. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys on how to do it. So getting on. So guys, we have our, I'm just going to put these windows through and break this, and then we want to put a door inside so it's like that, and then we want to put soul sand at the bottom of it, and then we just want to fill it up. Okay, so as you can see, there's bubbles, so that means it's really good. So as you can see, this is what it looks like right now. So yeah, it literally just boosts you to the top. See, I'm not going to touch anything right now. I'm not going to touch anything. I'm not touching anything, and it automatically just brings me to the top. So that's my how-to video on how to make a water elevator. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you next time. Bye!